This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to set up a Warlords mission on ARMA 3. From your main menu, go to the editor, and then you're going to select whatever map you would like to build your mission on. When you load in, the first thing that you are going to do is place your Warlords Init. This is what tells the mission to become a Warlords mission file. From here, you can set a couple options such as your starting command points, whether players are allowed to do sector scans, and etc. This can be placed anywhere on the map, it does not matter. After you've done that, you need to create your Blue 4 and Op 4 bases, so you'll just go to wherever you'd like to place it, go to Warlords base, place it down. You're going to select whatever faction it belongs to, select a name, select how many command points it generates. You can also set what kind of vehicles can be spawned in there. For each base, you're going to need to place down Warlords spawn points. You're going to right click it, sync it to your base, and then you're going to place down your player positions. Typically you can go with like squad leader. You're going to place that down. Make sure that you uncheck player and check playable. And you're going to place however many players you want to be able to join each team. You're going to need to repeat that same process for the Blue 4 base. Now that you have your Blue 4 and Op 4 bases created, you need to add Warlords Sectors in between them. You can make as many or as few as you want, so long as there is a unbroken path from the Blue 4 base to the Op 4 base. On these Warlords Sectors, you have a lot of the same settings you do as your base. You can set the name for it. You want to set the default side to default. That'll make sure that it belongs to the Green 4, the Independents, the AI team, whatever you want to call them. Then you can also set how many command points it makes and what type of vehicles can be spawned in there. You can add independent forces to a sector if you'd like to beef it up and make it a little bit more difficult to capture. After you have placed all of your sectors and configured them the way that you want to, you need to sync them to each other. Having 2 or more sectors synced allows one to be targeted if another is owned by a Blue 4 or Op 4. You can do this in any order you want, if you want to just do a straight line, or you can have multiple sectors side by side, sort of in a mesh pattern. The final thing that you need to do is go to Attributes, go to Multiplayer, go to Respawn Settings, and select Respawn on Custom Position, and from there, make sure to check Select Respawn Position. You have now created your own Warlords mission. If you want to test it out, just go to Play and play in multiplayer.
Warlords protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector. Select sector.